wig that I'm going to be reviewing today is from ReadyWig.com. I just wanted to share their packaging and their branding with you guys because it's actually really cute. Very neat, clean, professional, and unique. You know, it looks different from other brands. It came with, you know, like a hair care instructions, a squirt bottle, some wig caps, the wig, of course, a synthetic unit, 3 clips, one in the middle, 2 on the sides, and then it has the adjustable strap in the back. It actually has a lace front and then a little 4-inch parting section right here. And this is the soft, comfortable lace. It's not hard or crunchy or anything like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply her on camera so you guys can see what we're working with. I've never had a unit from ReadyWig, so I'm new to the company also, so we're gonna work through this and talk through this together. All I'm gonna do right now is cut this lace off. I'm just gonna follow the hairline. Okay, so I have all the lace cut off, and I'm just gonna pop her on. I'm using the 2 combs on the side. There is no comb in the back. So I'm gonna just take a little bit of got2b glue gel so that the wig doesn't come off, and just place that right here under the lace, and a little bit of the freeze blasting spray so that my wig will stick. To my little edge brush, I'm gonna just go ahead and take out the smallest bit of edges right here so that I'll have something to work with. Now, go ahead and let that dry. And as far as my parting is concerned, a little angled brush and some of my powdered foundation from Black Radiance. I'm gonna go ahead and take some of my edge control and put it on the very perimeter of the unit. Basically trying to like use some of the hair from the wig, pull it down, and you know, just make like a little swoop, a little faux baby hair, I guess you could call it. This. Swoop it in order to create the faux baby hair look. Tie this down while I do my makeup. Pretty much how I lay my wigs, and we'll see after this sets and I do my makeup how I feel about the quality of the actual unit and the hair. So I'll come back once I finish my makeup. Okay, so this is what the wig is looking like. I'll run my flat iron through it on the lowest level. It's really black. I actually look kind of scary with my hair this black. It's pretty tangled. That's a note to keep in mind. The hair itself tangles pretty bad. I mean, you're gonna get tangling with a straight synthetic unit anyway. There's some tangling, but the shedding not so much. Struggling with brushing it. It's so tangled like at the ends. Ugh. Almost like Barbie hair. It's not too shiny. You can definitely like clock it. You can definitely tell that it's synthetic. Now that I put the flat iron through, the brush is running through a lot better. So my overall thoughts on the unit, it's really cute. This is a good wig for somebody who's trying out wearing wigs for the first time. A good unit for somebody looking for something, you know, short term, inexpensive. Definitely a wig for you. So check out ReadyWig.com because it is just that. a wig that's already ready to go. You pretty much put it on your head and you're set. So again, be sure to check out the link in the description box. This unit is from ReadyWig.com and I'm feeling it. I'm liking it. It's cute. I am having some tangling issues with the hair itself, but it is soft. The luster is, you know, believable, realistic. The lace is soft and comfortable. The unit itself is comfortable. Yeah, so if I had to rate it, I would give them, if I had to rate it, you know, with it being, if I had to rate it as a synthetic unit, this would be one of the better brands that I've tried. Give it a 9 out of 10. A 9 out of 10. They really just need to work on the quality of the hair. I feel like it could be a little bit more yucky-like. But yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below, and I will see you in our next video.